Hey friends! I'm walking on the street right now. I'm holding my phone and smiling at you. The cars are moving behind me. People are walking around me. Today, I'm teaching present continuous tense. We're learning English in real life. I'm showing you actions happening now. You're watching this video right now. I'm feeling excited today. Let's start this lesson together. I'm walking to the bus stop. I'm crossing the road carefully. The traffic is making loud sounds. Drivers are honking their horns. A dog is running across the street. Some children are laughing loudly. I'm looking left and right. The sun is shining brightly. Shops are opening slowly. Vendors are arranging fruits. A man is selling newspapers. A woman is buying flowers. I'm carrying my small bag. I'm checking my phone screen. Messages are coming in. Birds are flying above me. The wind is blowing softly. I'm fixing my hair. My dupatta is moving in the wind. I'm smiling at the camera. People are staring at me. I'm recording my vlog confidently. My heart is beating fast. I'm enjoying this busy street. Life is moving quickly around me. Everything is happening at once. I'm speaking English naturally. You're listening carefully. We're learning together. English is becoming fun. Now I'm at the bus stop. I'm waiting for my bus. Other people are standing here. A boy is checking his watch. Two girls are talking softly. An old man is sitting quietly. The bus is coming slowly. The wind is blowing dust. I'm holding my phone tightly. I'm looking at the road. Vehicles are passing quickly. A bike is stopping near me. Someone is playing music loudly. I'm laughing at the noise. Clouds are moving across the sky. The weather is changing suddenly. I'm feeling a little warm. Sweat is forming on my face. I'm wiping my forehead. A bus driver is waving his hand. Passengers are getting inside. People are pushing gently. I'm stepping back carefully. I'm waiting patiently. Time is passing slowly. My stomach is making small sounds. I'm thinking about food. I'm planning my next stop. The bus is leaving now. I'm staying here for street food. Now I'm at a street food stall. Look, I'm eating pani puri. The vendor is filling the puris. He is adding spicy water. I'm holding the plate carefully. I'm tasting the first bite. My eyes are watering. I'm laughing at the spice. The vendor is smiling at me. People are waiting behind me. A girl is recording her food. Oil is frying in a big pan. The cook is preparing samosas. Steam is rising from the pot. I'm blowing air on the food. I'm chewing slowly. My mouth is burning slightly. I'm drinking cold water. The taste is surprising me. I'm enjoying every bite. Someone is calling the vendor. Coins are falling on the counter. I'm paying for my plate. The vendor is thanking me. I'm cleaning my hands. The streetlights are turning on. The sky is becoming orange.
Evening is arriving slowly. I'm walking toward my friend's house. This vlog is becoming delicious.
Now I'm visiting my friend's house. I'm ringing the doorbell. My friend is opening the door. She's smiling warmly. We're hugging happily. I'm entering the living room. She's offering me water. I'm sitting on the sofa. We're talking about college days. She's showing me her new paintings. I'm admiring her artwork. Her cat is walking around us. The fan is spinning above. We're laughing at old memories. She's making tea in the kitchen. I'm waiting in the hall. The kettle is boiling loudly. She's bringing 2 cups of tea. Steam is rising from the cups. We're sipping tea slowly. I'm telling her about this lesson. She's listening carefully. We're recording a small clip. The room is feeling cozy. Evening light is entering the window. The clock is ticking softly. I'm checking the time. I'm leaving her house now. She's waving goodbye. I'm walking toward the rooftop. Now I'm standing on the rooftop. The sun is setting beautifully. The sky is changing colors. I'm teaching present continuous now. You're watching the sunset with me. I'm speaking clearly for you. We're practicing together. I'm saying sentences slowly. You're repeating after me. The birds are flying home. The city is glowing softly. I'm feeling peaceful here. The wind is touching my face. Learning is happening naturally. Confidence is growing inside you. Your English is improving daily. I'm encouraging you strongly. We're building fluency step by step. The lesson is ending soon. I'm smiling at this beautiful sky. The sun is disappearing slowly. The lights are shining in the city. I'm feeling grateful right now. You're supporting this channel. We're growing together every day. I'm planning the next tense lesson. Something exciting is coming soon. I'm waving at you happily. My heart is feeling full. I'm saying goodbye for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.